Hi friends, good evening. The trend change date of 11th and 12th has actually, changed the rental trend of the market. Last 2 days, we are witnessing a big fall from 14,960 to roughly around 14,600 of 300 points fall from the top. And now people started asking, where this market is going to head, whether it is going to go to 12,000 level, 11,000 level. People are in a little bit of panic, so I just want to update on a little bit on Nifty, and then we'll talk about one more counter, which is my favorite counter in the end. So according to me, even last time, I posted a video on Nifty with combination with the combined with IndusInd Bank video. Maybe if you want to, if you can look at that video, then I've clearly explained about Nifty. But now when I talk about number terms. Uh, Till it holds 14,467, which is my mutual fund exit number from aggressive to balanced. Till it holds that number, nothing to worry about Nifty spot. Okay. And in case if it breaks and close below 14,467, the next possibility is 14,197. In case if it close below that number, then the possibility is 13,596. Okay. And according to me, it should not break 14,467. But I think today we are not working, but other markets are working. US markets, and I think Nifty was trading somewhere around. People are talking about 14,000. I think it came down to 14,500 level. Seriously, I don't know about all that. But I don't. According to me, whatever Nifty opens at 9 o'clock, that is more than enough for me. I don't want to see another indices. It doesn't make sense for me. So even in case if it comes to 14,000 500 level also tomorrow, based on astrology, it is clearly bullish tomorrow. That's what my guru says. So he is very firm that tomorrow market is going to be bullish. So I think we don't need to worry. Let's talk about in case if the Nifty closes below 14,467. Till that time, you can ride this market. Okay. The next very important stock which I want to talk about is it's a special counter for me, and I'm telling all my clients. I told all my clients to do SIP in this counter at least till the age of 60, because it's going to be the medical corpus for them, and many of my clients are doing SIP in this stock. And according to me, it's a multi-bagger. I see roughly around 4,000 rupees in this counter, and that is what my gut feel says, and my chart's also saying that. But my chart doesn't say that, show that 4,000. But yes, this should be in your portfolio at any point of time. That is what whenever whichever client I meet, whether he's going to be my client or not, I give this as a gift. I'll say that whether you do business with me or not, that's it's none of my concern. But at least do at least buy 10 shares of this guy every month, and then keep this in your portfolio, so that at the age of 60 you will definitely that's what I tell my clients, and many of my clients are doing SIP this counter. It is none other than HDFC Life, and it has come in a very very critical stage. It's at the exact bottom. Even the dates also confirming that, and charts also confirming that. So that is why I just want to post this video. So first we'll go to number game, then we'll go to dates, then we'll go to charts. Okay, I'll share the screen of number game. Yeah, based on my number game, since this guy is listed very recently, I don't have yearly data because I need at least 20 years of data to get the dates. So now, based on number game, till it holds 601 on a shorter time period, you don't need to worry about it. Till it holds 517, because it gave a long year. It gave a long roughly around 456, and slowly the day passed. Now the long-term number came and sat at 517. So till it is not closing below 517, you don't need to worry about this counter. Till that time, you can do SIP. Even below that also you can do SIP, but I'm just saying. So as of now, above 601, it is bullish. In a monthly time frame, it is trading below 684. So above 684, it is bullish. And Wednesday, it closed at 669. Okay. So these are a number game. And coming to dates, okay, these two dates are very important. which is January 26th. This I already marked in the chart. And one more date which is going to come in the month of May is May 31st. Okay. So May 31st, one more date is going to come, which is on Monday. You can watch this guy on May 31st. Okay. And apart from that, I identify a few more dates which will not be there here at all. I marked that dates, number also, dates also in that graph. So now we'll go to the graph and then we'll see how HDFC is looking, life is looking. Okay. Okay, so now this is purely based on a trend line. So first year it has taken a support, second year and third year, and the fourth it has taken a support year, and it is again coming and testing this line. Okay, if it breaks 662, this is a number, 663 level, we should not hold this counter based on trend line. Okay, based on trend line. In case if it takes the support from here, the high possibility that it will go and do 700 rupees. Okay, roughly around 35 rupees from here. Okay, so we need to watch out for this guy at 662 or 663 level. Okay, and the second one is see, and one more thing is giving cushion to me is this 200 SMA is below here, and based on pitchfork, it is not able to break this green color line. Once it breaks and close, possibility it will go and touch here, and I'll show you why. Also, see the pitchfork is able to identify the exact top. So if I draw pitchfork from the starting, because I don't have long data on this counter, so I've taken the beginning of this counter and then I've drawn pitchfork. So I've marked the exact high and the low, and it clearly says where it made a top. So it made a top exactly on pitchfork here, and from there it is falling. So, and this median line is way below. It is roughly around 603. So once it moves, if it comes to 601 level, or it is also clear, telling my that that Excel sheet number which is 601, it is clearly matching this median line number. Okay, so now this 200 SMA is there, so which can give a support, but whenever it comes and touch 200 SMA, it will bounce. See, if you go and see here, it came here, touched 200 SMA and bounced. From here, at around 505, it went to roughly around 744. So again, it is coming down near to that level. I don't know whether it's going to come and touch this level of 646 or it is going to move from here. If you get at 646, the stop loss is 1 rupee, max 2 rupee, not more than that. Okay, let's see whether it is going to touch this level or it is going to move from here. Okay, and if you take this guy, if I draw Darvas box. Okay, this is one more system which I use. It's called Darvas box. Okay, it is within this box for very long time. See, let's say from 28 December to May 12th, it is within this box. Okay, so in case if it breaks this box, it will fall very badly. In case if it goes above this box, it will go very far. Okay. So the high of this box is 746 and the low of this box is roughly around 657. Okay, mark that number, 657. Okay, this is a low. Yeah, 657.15. And now it is trading at 669. So we have 10 rupees cushion, first of all. Okay, based on Darvas box. Okay, and this is a cup and handle pattern on a weekly time frame. So clear cup handle broke out on the top and again testing here, and based on a cup and handle pattern, the target it says is 987. Okay, and the very important week which happened in HDFC Life was 22nd March 2021. Okay, the high of this date was 695 and the low of this date was 662. So now you remember why I told 662. And if you take, it is not able to close above this week high in any of the weeks for the last 7 days. Okay. And it has not even closed below the low of this week of 22nd March. Whenever it comes and touch, it closes above only. See, even here, it closed above only. Here also it closed above only, even till yesterday, till Wednesday, it is closed above only. So it is not ready to give up this number, which is 662. Okay, it came down here, but again it moved up. So now, according to me, my stop loss should be 657. And the best bet, in case if I get it at 662, I will buy this counter with 5 rupees stop loss. Okay. And that is what this weekly is saying, for a target of roughly around 100 rupees from here. That is what I see from here. Okay. And if you take, okay, these are the dates which I marked. Okay. The first date which I mentioned was 27th January. The high was 695 and the low was 673. So it is trading below that level. And the recent one which has happened is 3rd May. This is not there in that Excel sheet. This one more working which I made. So this is the date and the low is 657. So till it holds 657.15, we don't need to worry about this counter. Okay. And above 695, it is extremely bullish. And May 31st is the date which you need to watch out for. I marked this in a yellow thing. Okay. And one more interesting thing which is happening here is head and shoulder pattern. Okay, there's a left shoulder, and again there's a right shoulder. Sorry, on the head and left shoulder. Okay, so in case if it holds the low of 647, this guy can do up to 747 bare minimum. Okay, the high of this head. So we need to see whether it is taking support. But in case if it tomorrow, in case I don't know how the market is going to open. In case if you get it at 647, the max stop loss is 2 rupees on 5 minutes closing basis. Please remember this, on 5 minutes closing basis. Okay, I will definitely take this guy, because he's my darling. So I will take a bet on this counter tomorrow when it opens. If it opens above 665. I don't mind giving 7 rupees stop loss and writing this stock, because 665 is a Vedic number, and above 665 this guy can do 687, 729, 754 as of now, and above 754 I will definitely talk about the higher numbers. So as of now, you can enter this counter above 665 with the stop loss of 657.15 or 657 with a target of 687, 729 and 754. Okay, so you can write this stock, and if you take HDFC Life, according to my system also, it is saying you need to buy this counter because it is sitting exactly at this level. Okay, and this is my stop loss, which is 645. My system also saying the same thing. So you can take a bet on this counter and make some money out of it. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. Anything interesting, I will definitely post. And I'm looking some thing on FMCG. I think it is bottoming out. Mostly there will be a big run in FMCG counter very soon. And the people, those who bought the sale at the higher level, Tata Steel at the higher level, nothing to worry about it. If my guru was very bullish, and he clearly mentioned 3 days before that, steel may fall till Friday end, and from there, the new rally will start. Let's watch. We are all guessing that. We don't know what's going to happen now tonight there, and how the market is going to open here. Everything will be decided by 9 o'clock before the market opens tomorrow, when the pre-open market opens in Nifty at 908. Everything what is there in Nifty. So I never waste your time in watching, Dow. Never waste your time watching, Singapore Nifty and all that. Be stick to your Nifty, because Nifty will give you a lot of inputs to do what you need to do. Thanks a lot for watching this video. And again, I'm telling you, I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework before doing any investments. Thank you. Bye.